Hello everyone, welcome to my CS50 project 4, that is network submission demo. Let us look at the demo. Here on the index page we can see that logged in user can post a new content and also can view all the posts of the other content. Let us start by posting a new content. I have completed CS50 project 4. As you can see, a new post has been made. This post shows the username, the post content, the number of likes this post has, and the timestamp, along with the two icons, that is edit icon and delete icon. On the same page we can also see the posts made by the other users. One page shows the 10 posts made by the user. You can see the number of posts are 10. After that we can navigate to other page to see the next posts. The posts are arranged in a latest chronological order. Let us go to the previous page. This was all the posts made by all the users who are available on this platform. Now let us look at the profile page of some users. So this is the profile page of Hima. Hima has 3 posts which we can see here. She has 3 followers and 0 following. Now as I'm logged in as Abhi, let's unfollow her and see if the followers count decreases. As we can see, the follower count successfully decreased. Let us follow her again and the followers count has increased. So a user can follow another user using the follow button. Afterward, let us look at the following page. The following page shows the posts of all the users whom the logged in user follows. That is, it shows the posts of whom Abhi follows. So we can see Abhi follows a user Ne and Hima. We can see all the posts made by these two users whom the current logged in user follows. After that, as the number of posts are limited to 10 on one page, we can navigate between the pages using Bootstrap's navigation. After that, a logged in user can edit his or her post. Let us edit this post. As we can see, the post has been successfully edited. Let us look at some other posts. Yeah, as I have logged in as Ari, let's edit this post. As we can see, the post has been successfully edited. This was about the edit post. Now the logged in user can also like his or her post or another user post. So let us like this post. We see that likes count has been increased, and if we click this button again, we unlike this post. By this way we can like and unlike some other post. Let us like our own post. We see the follower count increases, and if the post is already liked and we click the like button, the like counts decreases. Also, a logged in user can delete his posts. Let us look at an example. Suppose we want to delete this post, we just have to click this icon. and the post is no more, it has been successfully deleted.